Hey everyone, my name is Ifeoluwatumininu Adewuyi. I enrolled in the Python programming course, and here is one of my projects I built. This is a movie website called Ifeoluwa. We just show all the movies, cartoons, all of them not categorized, and all of them together. This from categories we have the action. These movies are like those are action. So this marks the end of my presentation. Practically, this is all of the work. I thank my instructor for helping me, because most of these were very complicated at the time, but we pushed through. Thank you for listening.